Hey everybody, Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video in Maya 2024. Well, today we're going to be talking about why in some cases you should avoid using the default polygon sphere. So if we take this guy and we have a closer look, right? What's going on here? Well, it's a default polygon object, obviously. But if you get a closer look here and you right click and go to face, you'll see that this is a rectangular face, that this one is basically a pinched rectangle, and this is actually even a triangle. So the topology is not very even, and you would probably say, well, who cares? It's still a sphere, right? Well, that's true, but first of all, you can create a sphere out of a cube, and if you do so, it will be much more uniform. And it will actually have quite a different effect once you start to deform it, and I'll prove it to you. So we're going to take a polygon cube, and we're going to move that over. And let's scale it up a little bit. And if I hit 3 to preview smooth, I'll get something like this. Let me scale that up, right? Okay, so they're almost the same size. Now keep in mind, this is a preview smooth. But already you can see that the faces that they're showing, they're pretty much all the same size. There's no pinching going on, there are no triangles or whatnot. So that's already a difference. Now, again, this is a preview smooth. So let me go to 1 to go back, and we're going to go up to mesh and smooth to actually smooth it. And let's bump that up to 3 subdivisions, right? Now, it looks a lot rounder, right? Thing is though, they're not perfectly the same as far as faces are concerned, but there are no triangles, there's no real pinching going on, and the topology is much more uniform. Now, where's that difference going on? Well, I told you about the pinching up here, right? Let's say we want to deform these. So I'm going to jump to this view right here, and I'm going to select them both. Now, if I hit R to scale, and I scale them sideways, it looks fairly uniform, right? Not too much going on. But keep in mind, because this top here is pinched, as we start to scale this up, we will see a definite difference, right? Let me show you. The one on the right is hitting this grid line right there. The one on the left isn't. And you see that the angle of this egg shape, if you will, goes in quite aggressively, where this one is much more even. So that is the difference that I'm talking about once you start to deform these. Now, not only does that happen when you deform the object, but it can also create problems if you, for example, want an even topology when you're texturing. So you create your UVs, and in your UVs you don't want any pinching going on. You want to have a nice even surface. So if you are doing, if you are applying external textures, they won't be distorted, right? So yeah, it's like I said, it's kind of a random topic, but nevertheless, I think it's a very important one to understand. And yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if this is helpful. If you enjoyed it, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.